In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book expenses and reimbursement of expenses in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing your finances for a small business or handling accounting for a larger organization, knowing how to accurately record these transactions is crucial. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step. Firstly, navigate over to the Purchases section, which you'll find on the left sidebar of the Zoho Books interface. Click on Expenses. This is where you'll manage and track all outflows from your business, from office supplies to utilities. Once you're on the Expenses page, direct your attention to the top right corner and look for the plus New button. Clicking this will open a new window where you can enter the details of your expense. This button is your gateway to recording all expense-related activities in the system. Now that you have your new expense form open, you'll need to fill out the necessary details for a standard expense. Begin by entering the date of the transaction. This helps to keep your records organized chronologically, which can be particularly helpful during tax season or if you ever need to audit your expenses. Next, you'll input the vendor information. This could be the business or person you purchased from, which will help in tracking and potentially managing vendor relationships down the line. After the vendor, note down the amount spent. Be as accurate as possible to ensure your books reflect true expenditures. Finally, select an appropriate category for the expense. Categories might include office supplies, travel, or meals and entertainment, among others. Categorizing your expenses will give you a clearer picture of where your money is going. In some cases, you might be dealing with a reimbursement for a single employee. If that's the case, there's a slightly different process. Instead of filling out the form as a standard expense, you'll want to select Employee Reimbursement as the expense account. What this does is designate the transaction as money owed to or paid to an employee for out-of-pocket expenses. Enter the reimbursement amount with precision. Again, accuracy is key, especially when dealing with reimbursing employees, to maintain trust and ensure compliance. Next, you'll need to specify the bank account through which this reimbursement was paid. In the Paid Through field, choose the correct account. This step is critical because it helps track where your funds are going and aids in reconciling your bank statements at the end of the month. After double-checking that all the information is correctly entered, don't forget to click Save. This action records the transaction in Zoho Books, keeping your accounts up to date and accurate. Following these steps will streamline your expense and reimbursement recording tasks, making sure you maintain a precise financial overview, which is essential for making informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Zoho Books more effectively.